We started one new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. Please visit my playlist and go through it. You will find step-by-step explanation of each and every program. Please go and watch. So today we are looking on Armstrong number in Java. So what is meant by Armstrong number first? To solve this problem, we need to know what is meant by Armstrong number. So definition of Armstrong number is Armstrong number is a number that is equal to sum of cube of its digit. Means it is a number is equal to sum of cube of its digit. So I have given some Armstrong number like 0 is the Armstrong number, 1 is the Armstrong number, 153 is the Armstrong number, 370 is the Armstrong number, 371 is the Armstrong number, 470 is the Armstrong number. But sir, how it's Armstrong number? Now let's take one example. 153. We will check this 153 is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, correct? So we need to cube of this digit. So 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, and 1 into 1 into 1. So if this cube are equal to this given number, that means our number is Armstrong. Otherwise, our number is not Armstrong. Let's check what we will get. Here, 1 cube is 1 plus 5 cube is 125 plus 3 cube is 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. That means 1 plus 125 plus 27 is equal to 153. Here, our cube of number is equal to given number. That means this number is Armstrong. Okay, let's jump on logic. So I need to find Armstrong number. So I will take one integer value as a number. Number is equal to 153. I will take a constant number. There is no matter. Okay, then I need to find a sum. So I will take one another variable. Sum is equal to 0. And then I will take one more variable which is temp. What is that? Temp. And I will assign the reference value of number to temp. So why? Here is my question. Why, sir? We are assigning number to temp. Because if I perform any operation on number, I am perform basically while operation on the number. But here I am not performing any operation on number because in last I need same number with whatever the sum we got from operation. I need to check that two number are equal or not. That's why I taken one extra variable called as temp. Okay. So now I will perform here while operation. While operation. Okay. So because I need to check each number, I need to iterate each number till 0 greater than 0. So I'm just taking simple while operation. I'm not going to for loop. Now in for loop, I take temp is greater than 0. Now what is the value of temp? Because temp is equal to now 153 because we assign the reference value of number to temp. That means temp is equal to 153 now, correct? So now I'm checking that temp is greater than 0 or not. If greater than 0, then it will come inside the loop and we will perform our logic inside the while loop. Now we need to add the sum of each digit. So we need each digit, correct? In last program, while we find out the sum of digit, that time also we use one operation called as modulo operation. So same operation we are going to perform here. We are performing modulo operation on temp. So why we are performing modulo operation? So that is the question. So I'm performing modulo operation because I need a last digit. I need last digit. If I'm performing in modulo operation on any number, it will give me last number. So here, if I perform modulo operation on 153, so it will give me value is equal to 3. So I need to store this value in any variable, correct? So I will store this value in one variable called as int reminder. I'm giving shortcut name as remember reminder. Okay. Now we need to do sum. We need to do sum of this reminder because we get last digit 3. So now we need to sum of this number. 1, 2, 3. But before that, we need to do multiplication. Correct? So I will do in one step only. Sum is equal to sum plus remainder into remainder. So now let's check output of this step. Let's check output of this step. So what is the sum value? Sum value initially is 0. Then remainder is 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. So it will become 0 plus 27. So my sum value is now 27. Got it? Now for second iteration, I need to give input to my temp value. Now my current value is temp value is 153. If I given same thing, I'm just repeated 3 again, but I need 5 now. I will divided by that temp value by 10. So here you will have a question, sir. What happened if you divided this temp with 10? So we will get 153 divided by 10 is equal to 15.3. But it remove the fraction value or remove the decimal value and just forwarded this 15 for second iteration. This 15 for second iteration. Now my temp value is 15. Now my temp value is 15 for second iteration. Got it? How? I have not assigned it, so I will assign temp is equal to temp divided by 10. So now my temp value is 15. So let's check here. Temp is greater than 0 or not? Yeah, it's obviously greater than 0. Then we will come inside the loop and just check. Same operation we will perform for second iteration. Temp modulo by 10. So for second iteration, it will give me 5. This is for first iteration. This is for first iteration, and this is for second iteration. So I'll keep a little bit aside. Okay. Now I have remainder is equal to 5. So it will come in second step. Now I will multiply by this remainder 5 3 times and add into the sum. So we have a sum value is 27. Here for second iteration, sum is equal to 27, which we got in first iteration, into 5 into 5 into 5. So here we will get 125 27 plus 125. It will become 152. So now in my second iteration, I get 152. We have a value here, temp is 15 for second iteration, correct? Now I divided for second iteration, temp divided by 10. So what will I get? I will get here 1. Let's check for third iteration. Temp is equal to 1 now. Temp is equal to 1. Is 1 is greater than 0? Yes, obviously 1 is greater than 0. Then it come inside the loop. And temp modulo by 10 is equal to 1. 1 modulo by 10, what will be the value? So value is 1. Now next we will do second step. Sum is equal to sum plus remainder into remainder into remainder. In third step, we have sum plus remainder into remainder into remainder. That means 1 into 1 into 1. What will be the value? So value will be 1 only. Value will be 1. So here my final output is 152 plus 1 is equal to 153. That means we get 153 is equal to given number. So this is our sum value. Our program is not end yet. So we have a remainder, sorry, we have a temp value is 1. Step number 3, I will once again divided 1 divided by 10. What I will get? 0 0.1. So sir, here this 0 0.1 it's neglected and just forwarded 0 for next iteration. Now my temp value is 0. While loop will check, hey, temp is greater than 0. No, then it will be exit the loop. Now we are come outside the loop. Now here we will check what sum value we get. Finally 153. We will check if my sum equal to number. If it is equal, then I will return it is Armstrong, otherwise It is not Armstrong. Correct? Let's go and solve this problem on ID. So I will create here new program. I'm creating class A6 Armstrong number. Our class name is Armstrong number. Now, as usual, we are creating one main method, public static void main, string args main. Now I'm creating one integer number is equal to 153. It is constant number I'm taking. Then I'm creating one sum value, sum is equal to 0. Then once again one variable, that is temp. Why we created temp I already explained, because I don't want to perform any operation on number, that's why I created temp value. I need to check lastly sum of the value and number are equal or not, that's why I'm creating temp as a extra variable. Now I'm performing while loop, so I'm taking temp is greater than 0 or not. So here whatever the 153 is assigned to temp now. Now let's check logic which we solve. Same logic we will use in program. Okay. So now temp modulo of 10 is equal to integer integer reminder. Okay. Then here we will get temp divided by modulo by 10 and we will store that value into one new reminder variable. Now sum is equal to sum which is initial value is 0 plus sum into, sorry, remember reminder into reminder, close the, okay, then temp is equal to temp divided by 10 because I need input which is not having this 3 for second iteration. Now our problem is solved. Now let's check how it will work. Now if sum is equal to number, here is the condition, sum is equal to number, because if I take here number, that number value becomes 0 at the last, and I need to check that number with sum, that's why I have not taken number directly, I have taken temp value. Got it? Okay. So if sum equal to number, then it is Armstrong number is strong, else it is not Armstrong. So which number? So I will just assign that number 153. Sorry, here we take dynamically number. Save it and run. So 153 number is Armstrong number. Let's try another one. Any other number? Let's give any other number. If I'm given 157, it is Armstrong or not? Sorry, 157 is not Armstrong. Got it? Okay, this is the way we can find out Armstrong number in Java.